Okay, it's okay to be a little unhealthy sometimes, so I'm gonna get cereal and this Lucky Charms. Apparently it's gluten-free now, so Zach can eat it because my boyfriend Zach has celiac, which means he's allergic to gluten and wheat and stuff like that. So yeah, but I'm gonna have this now, and then I'll head to the store. Yes, this is my breakfast. Don't judge me. And then I have like, you know, something unhealthy and something healthy, so it balances out, but I just want something quick and easy, so this is why I think I'm either gonna go to Kroger or Target. I'm not entirely sure. I do have my mask in the car. My car is so cold. I like have the heat on 79 right now because I'm so cold, my hair is wet, but it's actually like 83 degrees outside, so I'll probably change it once the sun starts hitting my face. Right now, I'm gonna go get some almond flour, and I think I need to get some other stuff. I'm not entirely sure, but we'll see. I just want to get out of the house while I sleep, but I do need that to make brownies. Almond flour, chickpeas. I think we have chickpeas here actually, but I'm not sure. My mom's working upstairs, so I'm not gonna bother her. And then I have the recipe on my phone. I'll look at it when I get there. Dude, look at me. This is so funny. Okay, I'm sorry. But I'm about to go into Target. I thought this is so funny. I'm sorry. But yeah, so I'm gonna go into Target. I won't have this like whole thing on, but I'm also gonna put on gloves. So I might not even wear I'm not gonna vlog in there because, you know, if I'm touching stuff with the gloves on, I'm not gonna want to touch, you know what I mean? So I'll just vlog when I get back in the car. But yeah, so talk to you guys later. Hey guys, sorry if you hear the fan, but it's really hot in my room all the time. It's 2:22. I bought 3 things from Target. I can show you guys later. The only thing I couldn't find that we didn't have was coconut oil. My dad says he thinks my mom has some, but I'm not entirely sure because that stuff normally doesn't last a whole long time, so I guess it just depends. So I did my hair to go in the store. Y'all saw in the clip before that I did my hair and I put on my face mask and everything like that. So, and I had my sunglasses on. I thought it was so funny. Yeah, so I'm not really that hungry right now because I ate at like 12:40 and it's only 2:23. I'm actually gonna do some schoolwork right now, and I might do like a Facebook video call with my friend from a Bible study, one of my other Bible studies I go to. I'm a part of. I will show y'all some B-roll and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, it's 4:37. I just called the university. I just called UNT, and I couldn't talk to the person I needed to talk to, but yeah. So I finished my homework that I had a lab over last night, and now I need to attempt to do the quiz for that same homework that's due on Tuesday, so I could be a little bit ahead, and then I can start chapter 4 homework, and then we're done with the class. The homework I just finished is for chapter 11, and then we're jumping all the way back to chapter 4 because we skipped it. So I changed my pants, but like these are the softest things ever, so I'll leave them in the description box down below if you want them. I don't know if they're still being sold, but I will do my best to link them. They just came in the mail yesterday, so I ordered them like last week. So yeah, so I'm assuming they're still gonna be there. There might be limited sizes because they are like, you know, sweatpants. These are like leggings. So I'm gonna try to attempt to do that. Well, I'm also editing a YouTube video, but I'm trying to make space on my computer so I can actually finish editing it, because it's supposed to go up in like 21 minutes, but it's probably gonna be going up at 6 instead of 5. 6 or 7, depends how long it takes me to edit and everything, and then I might just jump back onto homework. So I'll set up the tripod on my desk somewhere so you guys can see what I'm doing. But yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later. Yeah, so it's 4:40 now, and I think I vlogged last like 2 hours ago. But so I did finish my chapter 11 homework, and now I'm just gonna take a break and edit the rest of my YouTube video. It's supposed to go up today. It might go up a little bit later, maybe 6 or 7, but yeah, so because I'm trying to clear out space on my computer. I always have this problem with Final Cut Pro and with my MacBook in general, where I never have enough space. And I literally deleted all the clips from the previous videos that I've edited over the past 3 weeks, and there's still not enough space. I do have a lot of pictures though, but that's on my iCloud storage, so I don't understand because they don't sync. I don't have that set up to sync, so I don't really know what's wrong. So I decided to play Animal Crossing for a minute, and I'm also gonna watch One Tree Hill, but that's gonna happen in a minute. Wait, so now it's focused. So this is me and this is my house, but I can show you more later. But yeah. Hey guys, so it is 9:22. I'm having a lot of issues with Final Cut Pro, and my computer ran out of all of its storage on its starter disk. So unfortunately there's not going to be a video up today. I'm exporting what I had edited so far from the video that's supposed to go up today, that I mean you'll have already seen by the time you're watching this one, that I'm filming now. To my external hard drive, and then I'm gonna delete all the files on this one, which sucks because there's some stuff on here that I cannot. It's so annoying. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later now. I think it's like 10 something, 10:08, and Alexa, pause my bedroom TV. So right now I'm just gonna get back on my Switch and play Netflix. I'm gonna play Animal Crossing or Smash. I have both. And then I have friends online. But then since I'm just not motivated to edit anymore today because I've had so many problems, so I'm gonna take a break. And then hopefully tomorrow I can edit this video and finish the video that's supposed to go out this week that I'm filming it, the week that I'm filming this video right now. So yeah, so that sucks, but what am I gonna do? I might also tidy up my room, so we will see, and I'll vlog myself doing that if I do. But right now I just need to go follow me on Instagram if you are not already. That way you can see what I'm doing when I'm not vlogging and when I haven't uploaded a video yet. But yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in a little bit, but I'm gonna just chill right now. Hey guys, so it's 12:47 right now. I'm playing Animal Crossing with Zach's sister, Becca, and I've been acting delighted for a while on the game, so I wanted to show you. If you hear the like little music she's making, it's because she's playing this thing that's made of clay. I don't remember what it's called. This is Zach's sister playing with me. She's the one that's playing the little harmonica thing, or like, I don't even know what it's called. I know it's sort of, oh, it's not a harmonica. It's like something, it's like made out of clay and you blow into. There we are. She stopped, but stop, seriously. I was doing that. So this is me, and then that's Becca, and we're just chilling. Hey guys, I decided I'm gonna make this a 2-day vlog. So it is now Saturday. It is 12 o'clock. I've been in bed for a little bit. I'm just in my pajamas right now, my Dallas Cowboys pajama shirt, and yeah, so I just put Animal Crossing on my TV. So I'm really happy. Hey guys, so it's 2:08 right now. I just washed my face, brushed my teeth, and got dressed. Yeah, so I am still playing Animal Crossing. I just finished the day maze with Rover in it. These help me see. Sorry, I just like slapped the camera. No, these don't work today. Anyway, so this is what's going on. This is my little house. I can show you guys. I don't really have plans today, so it might just be like a cleanup kind of day. I might paint. I have a painting that I want to finish, so we'll see. But right now I'm just still playing Animal Crossing. So this is my slow cooker. It's kind of small, but in 4 hours, I mean, hey guys, so it's a little bit later now. It's 5:22. And I'm gonna start doing some flash because I have a test. Actually, I have my 4th exam before the final. I have it opening this coming Thursday. I plan to do right now, I'm gonna try to vlog some of it so I have some footage for you guys to see. These earrings are so cute, but I don't like how this one like sticks out. But I mean, I guess it looks cute. Like this one is more normal, like a normal hoop earring. Now they're both sticking out. Well, I'll talk to you guys later. My mom got me this cute mug that says "You've got this" on it this is my finals. I have 2 tests coming up, and we're about to make edible cookie dough with chickpeas.
I was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said keep them closed and be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what I want? What about what I want? And what I wanted was to crash with my dumb friends on the weekend instead of watching a movie. But you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. 'Cause someday I'll love someone.
So I think I either lost footage or I didn't vlog the rest of that night, which I think it's more likely that I forgot. But if you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up for me, and don't forget to subscribe down below and click your Turn on your post notifications by clicking the bell icon down below next to the subscribe button. That way you never miss another upload from me. This video is going up a little bit late and I apologize for that. But I just took my finals this past like 3 days ago, so I am officially done with school. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video and I will see you guys next week with a brand new one. Bye.